Hello everybody, this video is going to be full of sari collections. Hope you love it. Diwali is on the way, so use this offer. All the details are given in the description box below. Any queries, please contact the number which is displayed on the screen. All these saris are from Andhra, exclusive collections for all the women in UK. So until further delay, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe my channel. If you like the video, share with your friends and family. Share your thoughts in the comment box. Come, let's get into the video.
Yeah, these are Kanchi organza sarees with blouse. Blouse is it's a princess cut, padded blouse, and back we have tying knots also like this. And I'll show the saree. This is pallu. This is pallu, and this is the top border. You can see the quality. It's a pure organza Kanchi saree, and with blouse it's available. It's for 65 pound, and with petticoat also.
Inclusive of petticoat, blouse and
saree. Yeah,
very super nice.
Yeah, this one is
so this blouse alteration also we can
do. I can do the alteration also, because it is with blouse. This is it will fit UK size from 10 to 14, and India size from 32 to 38, and you have stitches inside. If you want, you can remove the stitches, and if it's a loose for you, and you can fitting also, yeah, fitting is also available. Yeah, and this is in these 4 colors are available. One is this, one is red, green with red border.
This is a famous saree now, right?
Yeah, this is a pure organza Kanchi saree, and this is also, and with
the material also very shiny.
Yeah, very shiny.
Very nice.
Yeah, with blouse it's available. Same.
So everyone can use the option. You can ready to wear for
Diwali. Yeah. And with the petticoat ready to wear. This one. Yeah. This is a second
skirt,
color.
Blouse, everything is available.
Yeah, and this one is a green.
This is super combination.
Yellow with green.
Yeah,
this
very
one.
Nice combination.
And this one is also available. This blouse is very nice. You can see the quality. Yeah. Even saree quality also you can see.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice.
Yeah. This is a famous trending design.
Pastel color.
Pastel.
Very nice color.
This is
like a party wear.
Red onion color with yellow border. Same yellow blouse. Same with the princess cut and knots. So it will come from 32 to 38 size blouse.
So if you like any sarees, please click a screenshot and send to the WhatsApp number in the description box.
Yeah. These are Assam Pattu sarees. In this only 2 colors are available. This is a mustard yellow, and this one is a purple blue, I think. Yeah, this one with the green blouse, and this one with the purple blouse, and with blouse it's available. You can see the pallu.
Wow.
And you can see the quality also. Yeah, it's very shiny. Yeah. It's a very good, it's classy also. And it will look good for from 30 to 60 age, yeah.
And especially for wearing
jewelry, simple jewelry.
Yeah.
This one is with blouse it's available, and this blouse will come from 10 to, I think UK size 10 to 12 at 14. In this also we have stitches are there.
So 32
to 38. Not 38, I think 32 to 36, maybe 38 also it will fit.
Okay.
And this one is also with the princess cut.
Okay.
So anyone can wear this one, and with the like some like teenage girls also, for them also it will fit. So in this same yellow, mustard yellow is available. This color is very nice. This is a pallu.
Nice.
Yeah, these sarees I bought from direct from weavers. These I didn't buy in shop.
Okay.
So these are pure quality, pure Assam pattu.
Okay.
So these I think you will get only in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So this is also available with the blouse, purple blouse, same. I think, yeah, this is I think little bit big, from 10 to 16 it will come. India size it's
Until 40.
40.
Okay.
Yeah.
So price of this?
Price of this saree is 55 pound.
Okay.
So Diwali offer, if anyone will like these sarees, so I'll give the free postage.
Okay. Please grab the options. It's free postage
Yeah.
inside UK.
Inside UK. Scotland also.
Okay.
Yeah. This is Assam pattu with the checks, and this is with the brinjal color, purple, I don't know, purple or brinjal.
Purple, yeah.
With the green border, and this is very nice. And these are the latest sarees, Assam pattu. This is a pallu, and this is with the blouse it's available. This is 65 pound, pure silk, and you can check the quality as well. And
Silver Jerry, famous.
Silver Jerry, yeah.
Latest trending saree.
Yeah, this color is very nice actually.
Yeah.
This is 65 pound with the UK delivery, within UK, with the postage. These are Kuppadam pattu sarees. You can see the border, it's very nice, and this is from inside. Yeah, this is the pallu.
Very grand.
Very grand. It's a party wear, complete party wear, and this color is like peach orange. It's a peach color, so this combination is very good, and the quality is also very good. You can see the quality, and the cloth is also very shiny, and it's not the, it's a lightweight saree, it's not heavy, it's very good. And in this we have a same orange color. This one with the blouse it's available. This is the purple blouse, same from 32 to 38. Same in this one, same orange color is available. You can see the color. This is the pallu.
Grand.
And this one is also with the blouse, it's available. Yeah. And this one is a 65 pound Kuppadam pattu saree, and including postage, it's a free postage for Diwali. These are Kanchipattu lightweight sarees. In these 4 colors are available. These colors are very nice. First one is with the peacock green with the purple border. These are latest one, lightweight one for the simple parties like birthday parties, pujas, Varalakshmi Vratam, Diwali, like any pujas we can wear. This is the pallu, and this is a 65 pound with the blouse it's available.
Pure silk sarees. This all.
Yeah, pure silk.
Saree.
Pure silk Kanchipattu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pure silk. You can see. Yeah.
This one is a green one. See, peacock green. This one is a mehendi green. This is very nice. This color. This one is a pallu.
It's all ready to wear.
Ready
all
to wear.
falls, blouse, everything is ready to wear.
Yeah, these blouses will come from
Yeah.
32 to 38, and in this
This is very nice.
very
color.
nice. This one with the pink blouse, and in this same mustard yellow with the mustard yellow pink border. This is also very nice. all are different colors.
Nice color combinations.
Yeah, pink pallu and with the pink blouse. This is also ready to wear. And same black saree with the peacock blue border and green. I love this saree. Yeah, you can see these are the latest booties we are getting now. Before that it was small. Now in this thread is coming.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is a Diwali offer. Normally it will be 8,000 India rupees, and I bought these sarees from directly from weavers, and this is a 65 pound with the postage. I am giving this offer till Diwali. This is Kuppadam Pattu saree, green with the pink border. This is a trending color, and with the pink pallu. Saree is very nice.
This saree looks like a bridal saree.
Bridal saree, yeah. And this one is a 65 pound with the within UK delivery, and the quality is also very nice. You can check the quality. It's a pure silk one. We bought directly these from weavers only. Yeah. These are linen tissue sarees. These are latest one, and these are pastel colors, and this is available for 45 pound with the postage. And this one without blouse, you can wear any mix and match blouse with the kalamkari blouse, any blouse like a Banaras blouse, any printed blouse or plain blouse you can wear. In these two colors are available. One is blue, one is this one is a pista green. So two sarees are already gone, so these two are available. Yeah, these are available with the petticoat. Because these are light colors, I got the petticoats also. These are organza sarees, plain organza with the sequence work, and this is with the green, mehendi green with the blue border. So you can see the sequence work. It's very light and it's very good also. You can see the quality. And this is a pallu, blue border. It is ready with the blouse and picot fall, everything ready to wear. So in this we have two colors available. One is a green, one is a aubergine color, something aubergine. It's like magenta color, right? Magenta with the red border.
Both gold and silver jari mixed.
Yeah,
It's
both
a
silver
trending
and
one.
it's a trending one. And
It,
this
you
one,
have lovely tassels.
yeah, tassels and all.
yeah.
Yeah, and this one is available with the blouse, and these blouses will come India size from 32 to 40.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, these are princess cut blouses, anyone can wear. And this is not deep also, it's a medium one. And hands are elbow hands. It's not long hands, it's not short hands. So in these two colors are available. Two are very nice. So with the blouse it's available. Yeah. It's a pure kota saree. This is a green.
Bottle green.
Bottle green with the
Copper
jari border. And this is a very trending model, and this is a pallu. In this I didn't stitch the blouse. You can wear with the pink blouse or green blouse, plain green, or I have the blouse available, unstitched one. You can use this border for any pink color, any green color, mustard yellow. I think mustard yellow will be the different combination with this bottle green. So this is a very nice saree, pure kota one. This is very lightweight saree. This is a 65 pound with the UK delivery. These are jute Assam Pattu sarees. In this we have two colors available. One is maroon with the black border. Second one is with the pink black border. So in this board, for the border we have a checks, and maroon one is a plain one. This is a pallu. This is a pallu. Border is very nice. It's a different combination. Maroon with the black. And this one is only saree picot fall is available, not with the blouse. You can wear with any black blouse. This one is a pink saree, checks one, border is a plain one. This color is also very nice, and this border is also very nice. You can see the quality. This is the pallu. So you can wear this saree with the black blouse or green blouse, brown blouse and pink blouse, any, or green also. So this is very nice. This is available for £45 within UK delivery, and this is only for Diwali offer. These are patola sarees, pink with navy blue border. These are latest sarees, navy blue border, and this is like it's like a pure georgette. You can see the quality. You can see the quality as well. And this is with the navy blue blouse, and this is a brocade blouse. This blouse is very nice. You can This is a pure georgette saree, floral georgette with the border. And this is a very grand, and we can wear for the simple parties like birthday parties, any parties. This is available with the blouse, hands as having net, and this one is with the same padded blouse, princess cut, and this one is available for £45 within UK delivery, and this is very nice saree. And I'll show the pallu. These are cut work dupattas. These two are kalamkari dupattas. You can wear with the crop top lehengas and half sarees also, and with the plain chudidar, and with the anarkali plain chudidar, any chudidars you can wear. These are very nice. This is available for £26, kalamkari cut work dupattas. And in this we have available two colors. One is black and one is a pink. This pink is very good. This will go with the green color, blue color, yellow color, mustard yellow, and brown, red, any colors this dupatta will go. And you can wear, nowadays they are wearing for half sarees, these are, and in this, these two are different, yellow and orange. These are also cut work chinon dupattas. Cut work and end also, dupatta end also we have RE work, and this color is very nice. This is a mustard yellow, and in this same orange is available, same one. So this is chinon dupatta, and this is available for £26 within UK delivery. And this one
pure beads, pure beads.
Yeah, these are cut work dupattas.
Yeah.
You can wear for half sarees, lehengas, and chudidars as well. These are very nice. In this I have available black and red, different one, but I didn't, that is not with me. So I think it will be come in 2-3 days with the delivery.